every single day. Hundreds of YouTubers tell you how to make money with AI. Most of them have never made a single dollar with it. They are reading scripts, recycling other people's ideas, and selling courses to people who are more desperate than they are. I tested 10 of the most popular AI money methods over the last 60 days. Some are genuinely incredible, some make decent money, and most are complete garbage. In the next 9 minutes, I am going to rank all 10, from F tier to S tier, honestly, with real numbers. And at the very end, I will tell you exactly which one I would start today if I was beginning from zero. Stay until number 1. Because the top method is the one almost nobody is talking about. Quick thing before we start, if you want honest AI money breakdowns every single week, hit subscribe. I do not sugarcoat anything on this channel. Now let us get into it. This is educational content, not financial advice. Income results vary. Here is how I am ranking these. 3 criteria. Profitability. How much money can you actually make? Competition. How crowded is the market right now? Longevity. Will this still work in 2 years, or will it die? Each method gets graded on those 3. Then I assign it a tier. F tier means avoid completely. B tier means it works, but you can do better. A tier means solid business. S tier means the absolute top opportunities. Let us start with the worst and work our way up. Method number 10. AI trading bots. This one breaks my heart, because people fall for it every single day. Every YouTuber selling you an AI trading bot is selling you a fantasy. They do not have a bot. They have a marketing funnel. Here is the truth nobody tells you. If someone actually built an AI bot that made 20% per year consistently, they would not sell it to you for $97. They would trade their own money and become a billionaire. Real AI trading firms like Renaissance Technologies and 2 Sigma exist. They manage tens of billions of dollars. And guess what? They do not let outside investors in, because their AI is so good they only trade their own money. Profitability for you. Near zero. Competition. Saturated with scams. Longevity. None. F tier. Stay away. Method number 9. AI logo and brand design. This used to be a real business. Now, AI tools have collapsed the value to almost nothing. Anyone can generate a logo in 30 seconds using free tools. Anyone can build a brand kit in an hour. The barrier to entry is now 0. You can still make money here, but not much. And it will not last. Profitability? Low. Competition? Overwhelming. Longevity? Weak. F tier. Move on. Method number 8. Faceless AI YouTube channels. Yes, I know the irony. You are watching one right now. But here is what nobody tells you. Most faceless AI YouTube channels fail within 60 days. YouTube is actively penalizing AI-generated slop content. Channels are getting demonetized for using pure AI without any human input or perspective. The ones that work have a real person behind them with a real strategy. They are not just spinning out AI videos and praying for views. If you do this lazily, you will fail. If you do it properly with real research and unique perspective, it can work, but it takes 6 to 12 months. Profitability? Slow. Competition? Massive. Longevity? Shaky. B tier. Possible, but most people will fail at it. Method number 7. AI copywriting. Now we are getting into real businesses. Every company on earth needs written content, blog posts, sales emails, product descriptions, ad copy. The demand is endless. With Claude or ChatGPT, you can produce professional content in minutes. The problem is everyone knows this. Competition is brutal. The winners niche down hard. They do not write for everyone. They write for one specific industry. Dentists, fitness coaches, law firms. Specific beats general every single time. Profitability? Decent. Competition? High. Longevity? Shaky as AI improves. B tier. Worse if you niche down. Number 6 is where it starts getting serious. These next 5 methods are the ones I would actually consider running myself. Method number 6. AI content repurposing. This one is genuinely interesting. You take long-form content from creators and businesses, You repurpose it into short form, tweets, carousels, newsletters, shorts, reels. Every creator and company struggles with this. Most of them have podcasts and YouTube videos sitting around generating nothing. You charge them $500 to $1,000 per month to convert their existing content into 10 platforms worth of output. Profitability, solid recurring revenue. Competition, moderate. Longevity, medium. B tier, real business. But AI tools are catching up fast and may eat this category in 18 months. Method number 5. AI virtual assistant services. This is where you act as a chief of staff for busy founders and executives. Manage their email, schedule their meetings, research opportunities, follow up on projects. The difference now is you use AI to do 90% of the work. What used to require 10 hours of human time now takes 1 hour with the right AI workflow. You can charge $2,000 to $5,000 per month per client. Take on 3 clients, $6,000 to $15,000 per month. Profitability, high. Competition, growing but still room. Longevity, strong, because AI agents are exploding. A tier. Real money. Real demand. Start here if you are organized. Method number 4. AI chat agents for businesses. Local businesses are still answering their websites with no chat agent. Or they have an old broken chatbot from 2020. You build an AI chat agent that answers questions 24/7, books appointments, qualifies leads, captures contact information. You charge a one-time setup fee of $1,000 to $3,000, then a monthly maintenance fee of $300 to $500. 5 clients on monthly retainer is $1,500 to $2,500 per month in nearly passive income. Profitability, high. Competition, low, because most freelancers focus on writing. Longevity, strong. A tier. Underserved market with high willingness to pay. Now we are entering the top 3. These are the methods I genuinely think will dominate the next 5 years. Method number 3. Lead generation services. Every business owner has one universal complaint. We need more customers. You build a system that generates qualified leads for them automatically. Phone numbers, email addresses, decision-maker contacts, verified data. You sell warm leads at $2 to $10 per lead, or you sell complete monthly lead packages at $1,500 to $5,000 per month per client. This is the closest thing to printing money I have found. Why? Because you are directly selling more revenue to the client. Every lead they close pays you back 5 times over. Profitability, extraordinary. Competition, rising but skill matters. Longevity, unlimited, because every business always needs more leads. S tier, absolute top opportunity right now. Method number 2, AI consulting and implementation. Every company on Earth knows they need to adopt AI. Almost none of them know where to start. You walk into a business, you audit their operations, you identify 3 to 5 places where AI can save them time or money. Then you implement the solution for them. Audit fee, $5,000. Implementation fee, $25,000 to $50,000. Monthly retainer to manage the systems, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. One client can be a 6-figure annual contract. Profitability, massive. Competition, very low, because few people are qualified. Longevity, permanent, because AI never stops evolving. S tier, if you have any business or technical background, this is your move. And now the number 1 AI money method. The one almost nobody is talking about, one that pays the most, with the lowest competition, and the strongest long-term outlook. Method number 1, AI agent development. This is different from everything else on this list. You are not selling content. You are not selling chat. You are selling a complete AI workforce. Imagine a small business owner who currently pays $5,000 per month to a virtual assistant team. You build them an AI agent system that does 80% of that work for $1,000 per month. You save them $4,000 per month You earn $1,000 per month. Everyone wins. The setup fee for these systems is $10,000 to $50,000 per project. Monthly maintenance is $1,000 to $5,000 per client. 3 clients on retainer is $3,000 to $15,000 per month in nearly passive income, plus the upfront setup fees. Profitability, the highest on this list. Competition, almost none, because the skill is technical. Longevity, this is the iPhone moment of AI. It will define the next decade. S tier, the absolute top opportunity I see in 2026. If I was starting from zero today, this is what I would build. Here is what I would do this week to start. Day 1, pick which method matches your skills. Be honest with yourself. Are you a writer, then copywriting, or content repurposing? Are you organized, then virtual assistant services or AI chat agents? Are you technical? Then AI agent development or lead generation. Are you a former business executive? Then AI consulting. Day 2, create your offer document. 1 page, clear pricing, specific outcome. Day 3 through 5, send 15 personalized messages on LinkedIn to potential clients. Day 6, follow up with anyone who responded. Day 7, close your first client. Total time investment for the week, about 10 hours. Most people watching this video will save it for later. They will think about it. They will plan to start next month. And next month will become next year. And next year will become 5 years from now. Wondering why nothing in their financial life has changed. Do not be one of them. Pick one method from this ranking. Take action this week. Sign 1 client. The first client is the hardest. After that, everything compounds. That is my honest ranking of the 10 most popular AI money methods. From trading bots in F tier to AI agent development in S tier. If you want more honest breakdowns like this every week, hit subscribe right now. I do not waste your time with hype or fluff. Drop a comment below. Which tier did you most disagree with? And which method are you starting this week? I read every single comment. Links to all tools mentioned are in the description. I will see you in the next one.